Good afternoon. I'm Commander Scott McIlnay, the Director of Emerging Media Integration for the Department of the Navy. I'm here today to tell you a short sea story about Maritime Civil Affairs Team 104, or MCAT 104 for short, and how they used Facebook to accomplish their mission. MCAT 104 was a 5-person team that deployed to Africa for 6 months in 2009. During their deployment, they worked in places like Djibouti, Rwanda, Uganda, Ethiopia, and Kenya to conduct projects with local communities and to build trust and rapport at the same time. Why are you here? This is the question that MCAT 104 team members were asked everywhere they went. The locals were suspicious of the team's motives, and they didn't believe they were there to just, quote, be friends. And the non-governmental organizations were also suspicious of the team's motives and were wary of being seen as supporting the U.S. military. MCAT 104 started a Facebook page before they deployed. The intent behind this page was to stay in touch with their families by documenting their missions to show what they were doing. What they quickly learned was that there was another audience for their posts. MCAT 104's Facebook page grew into a means of overcoming the suspicions they faced. By referring people they met and worked with to their Facebook page, they were able to demonstrate their goodwill and build trust. This level of transparency facilitated better relationships with the people they encountered and worked with. There were, of course, challenges. Internet connections were hard to find and slow at best, but generally, everywhere they went, they were able to connect to the internet and update Facebook. And each time they did, they were able to connect with more people. The result was that MCAT 104 was able to conduct its mission much more effectively as a result of their use of Facebook as a communication tool. Facebook made it possible for them to build stronger relationships faster and thus contributed significantly to their success. MCAT 104 is just one example of how the Navy has used social media to reach audiences and build trust both here at home and abroad. I invite you to see how other Navy commands are using social media by visiting our social media directory at www.navy.mil/social media. Thank you.